Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about COUNTIF, COUNTA and COUNTIFs functions. Please download this file from the description. And in this file you can see that we have a lot of call log in our column I. And here is the sheet in which we have different cities and their area code. And we need to find out how many calls are from these area codes. Here we will learn two methods. In the first method we will separate this area code. The area code contains only 2 digits from 2 to 3. So we can easily use mid function. Count A counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So we will use this to count all of the phone calls. We have 21 phone calls and we have separated the area code. Now we will use COUNTIF. Here we will use COUNTIF because we are counting the number of calls according to the area code. So COUNTIF and the range, so we will fix the range and area code. Press F4 and then copy this formula and then paste formula. You can see that we have number of phone calls 19. So let's see our second method in which we will use wildcard. And there will be no need of this mid function. So COUNTIF and the range. And we will use this static. Static will search for the bracket which could be start from any position, and then we will search for this area code, and that's it. These wildcards are very important. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.